Hi there, I am Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account on Axiory. At the end of the video, we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so be sure to hang around. Let's get started. Axiory is an online, fully regulated broker that features trading in forex, CFD indices, energies, and metals. Established in 2012 and based in Belize City, their accounts feature Nano, Standard, and Max accounts. Supporting either Ctrader or MetaTrader 4 platforms, which are available on Windows, web, Android, and iOS. However, MetaTrader 4 isn't supported on the latest Mac OS Catalina due to the end of 32-bit support for some applications. If you ever require any assistance on Axiory's website, you can click on the chat button at the bottom right of the screen. Submit your query and a support representative will then get back to you. Next, I am going to show you how to open a demo account. Firstly, head over to their website at www.axiory.com. On their home screen here, at the top of the page, you can select any of the panels and you will see Experience Trading with Axiory or Open a Free Demo. Click on Open a Free Demo. Enter the required information such as your name, email, country of residence, phone number, and create a password. After you have submitted your information, you will be redirected to the Welcome to Axiory page. Here you can select your platform and a few other various options. We decided to go with Ctrader on web for Windows. In order to sign in to Ctrader, be sure to check your email to verify your account and create a Ctrader password. Log in with those details here. And we're in! This is Ctrader on web for Windows. In the middle of the main dashboard here, we have our main chart windows. You can change your chart types here from either candlestick, bar, and a variety of others. At the top right of the dashboard here, we can see our buy and sell order window. This is where you can make individual buy and sell order executions, stop loss, and stop limits for the selected currency pair or trading instrument that you have selected. On the left side of the main dashboard here, we can see our popular markets and watch list panel. This is where you can browse through all the popular trading instruments supplied by Axiory. If you would like to add a separate chart for any of these trading instruments, all you will need to do is right-click on the chosen instrument or currency pair and select New Chart. This will open a new chart window for the preferred instrument in the middle of the dashboard here. On the top right of the dashboard here, we can select our buy and sell orders, DOM, an economic calendar, and an auto chartist. Their economic calendar displays additional detailed information about the markets and instruments as recently as possible. At the bottom side of the dashboard here, we can select our open positions, active orders, history, price alerts, and transactions. If you would like to open a more detailed buy and sell order window, all you will need to do is select the New Order button here. This will then open a detailed order window where you can make individual instrument executions and observe its own chart window. If you would like to create your own watch list, for example, a watch list for forex, all you will need to do is select the Create New Watch List button just underneath the Popular Markets section. You can then name the watch list to whatever you prefer. In our case, we named it Forex. You can then add the selected individual market instruments to the watch list panel. We are going to add the Euro-US dollar major currency pair to our Forex watch list. This will then keep the desired instruments neatly in one group. At the top left of the main dashboard here, just under the Tools panel, you have a variety of options which you can choose from to further customize your charts to your liking. If you ever require any assistance while using Ctrader, you can select the Help button here at the top left of the dashboard. This will then open Ctrader's Help Center, which covers various help topics that might make it easier for you if you are having any problems. Axiory also features a trading academy, which covers various guides such as basics, online trading for beginners, understanding forex, and more. One helpful tip that might be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential is to consider practicing visualizing trading. In forex, there will come a time where you will need to make a critical decision, and you will need to be as comfortable with the stress and tension that comes along with it. Being comfortable and confident with your critical decisions can really pay off in the long run, whereas the stress can deviate you from your preferred method and strategy. So consider practicing visualization when it comes to making those deep, important decisions. And that's how to open a demo account on Axiory. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which forex platform you are currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. Good luck.